Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the case. This prevents liquid damage and gives full access. Once done, use a clean microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl solution or manufacturer-approved screen wipe. Apply to the cloth, not the screen. Make sure to work on a flat surface with soft lighting so you can see smudges. You want gentle pressure, circular motions to lift oils, and to avoid paper towels because they scratch coatings. This first pass removes fingerprints and surface grime efficiently. Once the surface is free of oils, continue by targeting edges and camera glass with a lightly dampened microfiber cloth. Make sure the cloth is just damp, not wet. Use a cotton swab dampened with alcohol to clean around buttons and ports, but keep liquid out of openings. For stubborn grime, repeat the motion using a fresh section of cloth so you don't reapply dirt. You do this to preserve oliphobic coatings and to disinfect without risking moisture intrusion into seams and sensors. Finish by air drying the screen for 5 to 10 minutes so any residual moisture evaporates, then reattach the case. Once dry, consider applying a tempered glass protector or nanoceramic coating to reduce future smudges and protect the oliphobic layer. If streaks remain, buff gently with a dry microfiber cloth. Do not use heat or compressed air. If touch sensitivity or streaks persist after drying, power cycle the phone and repeat a gentle wipe. Persistent issues may indicate coating wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.